So, I'm bringing you another this is part to the Vista Tennessee replacement with the SafeWatch Pro. Today I'm demonstrating the voice driver, which I was making a bunch of all tones video today, and I decided why not throw in the Elk 110V5 that I have. It's sitting right there, and I'm not sure if it'll work this time because these drivers, the voice drivers, are really powerful. It's already if you'll see in the all tones video, it actually the panel was having a little bit of, you could, well, and how I would see the CM keypad right here was getting really, and you would see in the video that got a for the carbon monoxide message, this thing got a little bit wacky at the end. So it's still good enough to upload though. So I'm not sure how good this is gonna work this time, but let's go ahead and activate it. Actually, I'll demonstrate fire for you guys.
Fire zone 95.
Fire! Fire! Please evacuate the building.
Sounds. Now since this panel doesn't give out as power as much that fast as that one, this every time, like the problem with this one, when I hooked it up for the pulsing, it wouldn't work. Like notifier. Let's see if notifier. Yes, notifier works. When I hooked it up to the bell circuit, it activated. The system was all normal. This thing is armed right now, but it was not an alarm. It said disarm, ready to arm. Everything was fine. This thing doesn't give out as much power as that one does, so I guess that's why this it works on this one. So yeah. Now let's go ahead and
Night. Stay.
see if the glass break again. Okay, what's wrong with you?
Intruder! Intruder! The authorities have been notified. Leave immediately.
Alarm.
Intruder!
8.
Intruder! The authorities have been notified. Leave immediately.
Alarm.
Intruder!
Zone.
Intruder! The authorities have been notified. Leave immediately.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm.
See how it just got all dim like that? That, ladies and gentlemen, is why you should not
Ready
do
to arm.
excessive amounts of tests with this, especially with a panel with a smaller battery, because believe it or not, I found this out. If you have a battery connected, your sirens will actually work a bit better, even though there hasn't been a loss of AC power. These things actually, I don't know, I guess they boost the power a little bit. Yeah, which I found that kind of interesting. So, yep, there you go.